Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I will be unboxing, well, it's according to me the best budget controller for gaming. It has been made by a Chinese company named Enter, and its model number is it's written over here. It's EGPV. So here are the main features. It is USB interface, plug and play. It's compatible to Windows 98, 2000, ME, XP, etc. It's an ergonomic shape for comfort during play, so you can hold it easily. But it's just like a PS4 controller, like a PlayStation 1. So these are the controls on the GamePad. Let's get on with the unboxing. So here I have with me quite a battered plastic covering. So I'll flip it open like this, get to the controller. So here it is, the Enter gamepad. We'll keep this aside and we'll see that here we get a CD for installing the necessary drivers in your computer. So drivers and application, you need an extra application for running this on your computer. So anyways, here's the gamepad. So these are the controllers, and these buttons are quite clicky. It's very comfortable to hold. And these buttons, the 4 and 1, is equivalent to the X and Y buttons on the PlayStation controller, and this 3 and 2 is equivalent to the A and B. And this is for, I'll be giving you a demo how you can use it by playing a game on my computer. So let's do it. So I've just finished setting up this controller. So I'll be playing the Need for Speed Most Wanted game. So here it is. So just click to continue. I will press this. Play this quick race. Quick play. Randomize. Press 1. Select this car. To enter, you have to press 2, or you have to just shift this control to the right side. So to accelerate, you have to press 1, and this is the steering. Wow, that's great. This controller is very nice to hold and use. It's very useful thing. Play games like FIFA, Counter-Strike, etc. All those famous PC games. And as you can see, I'm running on the grass side now. So while driving on the grassy side, you can feel a vibration on the keypad. So this is feature. It has vibration mode. Anyways, hope you like this video. Stay tuned in my channel for more such videos. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.